Hello and welcome to Learning Rust Programming Series. My name is Ashish and in this video, we are going to learn about supertrait concept in Rust. In Rust, a supertrait is a trait that requires the implementation of another trait. Essentially, a supertrait defines additional behavior that extends or builds upon the behavior of another trait. A trait can be a supertrait of another trait, creating hierarchical relationship between them. Remember that in Rust, we don't have inheritance, but you can define a trait as being a superset of another trait. Let's look at this example, which we have already written. So here, in this example, I have animal as a basic trait, which make with a method make sound. Then I have this pet trait, which is super trait that extends animal by adding another method that is play. So in basic trait, I have make sound method of animal, and in super trait, I have method play. Next, we are creating. So I have structure dog, and then we have implementation of animal trait for dog, which is basic trait, and then we have pet implementation for the dog. So I have one method here, make sound, and super trait method, that is play method implementation here. So what I have done here is in main method we have created dog instance, and then we have called both methods. This is pretty straightforward, right? So remove and fetching the ball. So both methods are called. So the thing we need to understand here is pet is a super trait of animal, indicating that any type implementing pet must also implement animal. So for example, if I comment this, then I will get compile time error and that the trait bound dog animal is not satisfied. It's because now, since the pet is superset of animal, compiler is enforcing me to implement this make sound method of animal. And like in uh, many languages, I just can't have implementation over here. Okay, I can't write that implementation here uh, in Rust. So I just can't write this. I have to create different, that is this implementation right over here. So this is hierarchical relationship you can create like this in example, pet and animal. So supersets are useful for creating modular and composable code. They allow you to define a common set of behaviors in a base trait and then extend or specialize those behaviors in supertraits. Note that while supertraits provide a way to express relationships between traits, care should be taken to avoid excessive trait complexity and ensure that the trait hierarchy remains clear and maintainable. So yeah, so this is about super traits. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe if you are liking the content. Thank you.